Here it is. Here's the can. You got the picture Jurassic Park. See there? Zero sugar, limited edition. Let's see what it tastes like. Dark berry. Let's see. Got a good smell. Mmm. I, I don't know what the dark berry is, but I can't quite place it. But it also has a little hint of, got a tiny hint of vanilla in it. Got a dark berry drink, a soda that has a hint of, just a slight hint of vanilla. It's good. If y'all want to burp, stay tuned to the end. Let's see what happens. Oh. Ooh. Excuse me. Mm. So go to your local Kroger store, pick you up this limited edition Dr. Pepper zero sugar drink, and enjoy. And happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and grandmothers and sisters and auntie, aunties and big sisters who are taking care of their siblings in the capacity of their mothers. This, I hope you all enjoy your weekend and stay safe, be blessed, and happy Mother's Day to everyone out there who has little ones and not so little ones that they're caring for. Love you. Goodbye and be blessed.